I got the suspect, and they're currently treating the victim. Again, he's on the north end of the stadium. All right, any weapons on you like that? Come on, I'll look here.
How long? He put his hands over. I know I'm not.
4-4, copy, I'll be in route.
Help me, y'all back up a little bit. Come over here for me. Come over here.
447, clear.
I'm gonna put your handcuffs for now, okay? Dispatch 443. Everybody can slow down. I got the alleged suspect in handcuffs right now, detained.
Everyone else can slow down. Suspect detained in handcuffs.
Hold on. You can open up the channel, and medics are clear to come in. Have them come to the northeast entrance. That's gonna be a gate that's wide open there, and then you come to the victim from there.
Received.
Alright, this is the alleged suspect. Alright,
Dispatch is 432.
okay. What's big there? So nothing on your person at all?
No, sir.
Nothing?
No, sir.
Mind if I reach in your pockets and stuff and all that? Nothing been stabbing them?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm going to be out with this as well. Received.
I'm okay. A little personal there, okay? Just to make sure. Okay. Yeah. Go on. All right. The victim's going to be underneath that tent over there, so I'll get medics. Memorial tent over there, guys. All right.
He put his hands on me. I told him not to. He put his hands on me.
What's happening right now? Victim is over here on the north end. They got staff standing to him right now. This is the alleged suspect. Right. Already? No. Already searched him. He's got nothing on him.
I don't know what happened.
413. Checkers have negative CPR progress for a little bit. Racing. You know, call thing. Racing.
Sorry, over here. It's up to you. It's up to you.
That's fine. This is closer.
Okay. Let me do one more little check of you, okay?
Yes, sir.
You don't mind if I reach in your pockets, anything like that? You good?
Well, you're just wearing one caravan?
I'm wearing some little underwear.
Well, yeah, but it's not
Like,
pockets.
no, ma'am, I don't think so.
Right. What's your name, man?
Carmelo Anthony, Karmelo.
430, show me out.
Okay.
Racing.
Right, have a seat here real quick, man. Watch your head. Let me check your hood here, buddy, okay?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'll tell you what, lean this way so you're not resting on your hands, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, see a little bit of blood on your hands there, okay?
Yes,
All right.
402, I'm on scene.
So your first name is Karmelo?
Yes, sir. Karmelo.
Let's see, hold on one second.
Is he gonna be okay?
I don't know yet, man. Karmelo, C-A-R-A.
K-A-R.
K-A-R.
M-E-L-O.
M-E-L-O, Karmelo. What's your last name?
Anthony.
A-N-T-H.
O-N-Y.
O-N-Y. Where are you in?
I'm in 10th grade.
10th grade? You go to Emerson?
No, sir.
Where do you go? Centennial. Okay.